And the faithful shall be rewarded. CLG take the inhibitor, they're gonna take the Nexus turrets, and they're gonna take a trip to Worlds. Welcome to the North American League Championship Series.
There's so many crazy changes going on, and all these teams are getting shaken up. I'm just really excited for LCS.
There's definitely big shoes coming in to replace High.
I fully trust all my teammates. It's really nice to play on a team like this.
저희 팀은 일단 리스크를 감수해야 하는 팀이에요.
Big shockwave, but he's gonna be in a tough. Huge! Oh, he flashes out! You gotta be kidding me! First place. Who are these guys? He's in early, but it's first. Yes, oh my God! Move again!
Bon appétit. Bon appétit.
What an amazing finish!
For all intents and purposes, TDK's season starts today. The Cloud9 of old is gone for good.
Alright guys, this is where we turn it around.
I think this is our split. You're gonna see a new T-Snap playoffs.
Madison Square Garden in the finals, you'll see us there.
Logic Gaming finally get a good season. Team Solo Mid take the semi-final series to face Logic Gaming.
Imagine we lost the grand finals. What kind of story would that be?
Not gonna get it that time. It's a triple for double lift. He's looking for Bjergsen. Logic Gaming fighting every season since there has been one, and now the 2015 Summer Split champions. Cloud9 are moving on to take on Impulse. They give up the series. Cloud9 get the reverse sweep.
This could send Cloud9 to Worlds, and it could end Team Liquid's season short.
Sneaky fighting Piglet. The shield is in. There. Holy moly.
Alright, I held my promise. I brought you to Worlds.
That's gonna be a trip to the World Championship for Cloud9!